Hello everyone, in this video we will learn a technique to simplify such questions within a minute. So before taking up this question, let me tell you a simple rule of proportion. Say there are two ratios that are equal to each other, right? Then A plus B divided by A minus B will always be equal to. This rule is known as Componendo and Dividendo Rule. We use this rule to simplify most of the problems in algebra. So coming back to our question, we have to find the value of this expression, right? We can say that root 20 can be written as, this is a pair, so we write here 2 root 5. Similarly, root 12 can be written as, now this equation is reduced to, x is given as this, so we write 4 as 2 into 2, right? And root 15 as root 5 into root 3. No difference. We cross multiply this 2 and root 5. And here we are left with only 2 root 3, right? Now here we will use this rule. So we can write x plus 2 root 5 divided by x minus 2 root 5 is equal to 2 root 3 plus root 5 plus root 3, right? And root 3 minus root 5 minus root 3, plus root 3, right? We further simplify the right hand side. This we say as equation 1. Next time we cross multiply 2 and root 3. So x over 2 root 3 is equal to, we are left with 2 and root 5, right? And again we use this rule. So this is x plus 2 root 3 divided by x minus 2 root 3, and this is 2 root 5 plus root 5 plus root 3, right? Now we further simplify it. This is equal to 3 root 5 plus root 3. Minus sign is here, so we write root 5 minus root 3. And we say it as equation 2, right? At equation 1 and equation 2. So this is equal to, we add the right hand side now, 3 root 3 plus root 5, root 3 minus root 5. Similarly here, 3 root 5 plus root 3, and we take minus sign common here. So this will become this. Now the denominator is same. So 3 root 3 plus root 5, and this minus sign is there. So the sign will get changed, and this is equal to, so the correct answer is 2. This is all for today. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel to stay in touch with more such concepts in my upcoming videos. Till then, take care, stay safe.